Yeah, isn't it nice to come back and greet you with warmer weather? We do have that in our forecast for the first day of spring, in fact. Today, that kicks off at 4:24 this afternoon, and that's the exact moment that the Earth's axis is perpendicular to the sun's rays hitting our planet. So they're hitting the equator head on. That means about equal amounts of daylight for the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. And as we get later into spring and by the summer solstice, we'll get increasing daylight day by day, giving us those warmer temps ahead. Today, already warmer than the weekend, certainly. We're starting off in the low 30s with wind chills in the mid-20s. So we still do have a wintry feel to kick off the morning. But later this afternoon, notice upper 40s, wind chills low 40s at our best. But the warmer weather is to thank because of this breeze coming out of the south. That's a warmer wind direction for us. Also late day, we'll build in those clouds and see a sprinkled chance. But the sprinkle activity will be so light and spotty in nature, if it even happens at all, I'd say don't even pack the umbrella. You'll just need that spring jacket today. No need for the winter accessories. This is as cool as we get right now. Upper 20s and low 30s with a few passing clouds overhead. But look at the wind chill. It feels like 15 in Monroe, tracking a wind chill of 18 in Juneau. It feels like 23 in the capital city, and Lone Rock feels like 23 in Baraboo. Wind chill of 23 in Reedsburg as well. There are those passing clouds overhead. Intermittent though. We'll get some breaks here and there. We should see a little sunshine for at least this morning before clouds build in getting later today. Soonest chance for a sprinkle or maybe even a flurry will be around 3 this afternoon as the kids get off of class. But notice coverage very far and few between. Then as we get towards this afternoon and evening, a couple more sprinkles or flurries are still possible. Similar trend tomorrow afternoon, maybe a little light rain moves in as we get towards late day Tuesday into Tuesday night and daybreak Wednesday. Then we have another chance for a little bit more light rainfall as we look at Wednesday night, changing over to a brief period of a mix or light snow chance as we look at early Thursday, but overall warmer than normal temps should take over, shouldn't allow any of that to stick before that exits heading into Thursday afternoon. Meanwhile, I'm going to let the clock run here on future track rain totals. Notice very light in nature, only about a couple hundredths of an inch up to a quarter of an inch expected over the next 5 days. So again, nothing significant to really track for us here. The bigger story today is spring beginning and the warmer weather returning. Sunrise 7:01 this afternoon, high of 47 with a sprinkle or flurry chance later today, though it will be a bit breezy as well. Low 30s tonight, sprinkles and flurries still possible in our forecast overnight. And tomorrow up to 50 degrees, though cloudier and breezier. Winds out of the south 10 to 15 miles per hour with some light rain showers possible in the afternoon and evening. More rain chances as we look at Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Another shot for a rain mix by Wednesday night to Thursday morning. And yeah, it's still March, still the chance for some snow as we look at Friday night to Saturday morning, but that may miss us. All these little weak weather systems are interacting with each other, so stay with us as we fine-tune the forecast as there may be some wiggle room on exactly when we see the precipitation or if it misses us completely.